Hello my paper crafting family, welcome to the Valentine's edition of Paper and Joy Craft Edition. So today we are going to be making this little heart gift box. So something nice that you can use to give a little Valentine's Day gift. And yeah, looks nice, or you can use it just as a decorative item in your home. So let's go and see what's in your packs and get crafting. Okay, so in your pack you will get one of these heart gift boxes, so just the craft paper gift box. You'll get 2 pieces of this beautifully textured red paper. So you've got a strip piece and then also a little rectangle piece which we're going to use this heart template for to cut that out, and also a little piece of decorative ribbon which has a nice little gold feature on to mirror the gold on the paper. You also need a pair of scissors, a pencil, either a glue stick or, well, you do need a glue stick. You might also use, for those who've been in Paper and Joy for long enough, you will have received your little glue, PVA glue box. Oh, what are they called? Tube, container, whatever. Yeah, so I thought that might be good for just attaching the ribbon. So if we can use a glue stick if that's all you've got at home, but if you've got some PVA glue, that's probably easier for the ribbon piece. And also some scrap piece of paper for our tracing and cutting and gluing and stuff. So, all right, let's get crafting. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cut out our template and then trace it onto our piece of textured paper. So just cut out the heart. It doesn't matter if you're sort of inside the line, outside the line, whatever. Just obviously being consistent, either do one way or the other. There we go. Okay, and then grab your pencil. I've got obviously a what are they called? Piece of pencil. What, I can't think of the name of the quick pencils. It might be easier if you've got like a soft lead, like a 2B or 4B for doing this tracing, because obviously the red is quite dark. It does work with one of these mechanical pencil. That's what they're called. Yeah, so that's what I had handy. So turn your paper over so you've got the smooth side on the back, and then trace around your heart template. And there we go, so we can just see that outline, and then go ahead and cut that out and I'll see when you're finished. Okay, I just wanted to say a little note, like if you want, I obviously gave you the heart template to do for there, but if you wanted to do something else, like that's why I guess I gave you the piece of paper, and if you wanted to be creative and I don't know, to do something like maybe strips or to mirror the strips down the bottom or something else, I thought, well, you have the choice then to decorate the top how you would like, or if you wanted it like a full width of the box, you could do that. Just trace, turn the box over and trace that on your paper. So yeah, so it's up to you. I've chosen this heart design which has a bit of border for the box on there. So all right, so we can glue that, but yeah, get creative and show me what you've done in the Facebook group. I'd love to see. So it's a little bit lumpy, so just make sure you do put a good amount of glue on. And then stick, so lining up the bottom edge of the heart and the top edge, the top little dip there. press down nicely, and there we have the top. Let's do the strip. Now it does have a fold, and this fold goes on this edge here. Okay, now just have the lid closed when you're doing this, because we're going to see if we can line it up in the center there, so there's sort of the same gap bottom and top there between the lid. Because if you like, you can have this as like not just a gift box for Valentine's Day, but a decorative box somewhere else, and you might be just having it on your shelf, you know, sitting with the lid closed, so you'd like that sort of to be even spaced there. That's the idea, that's the plan. All right, so again, grab your glue stick and good amount of gluing. We might do this in can we do this in sections? No, probably not. I'm going to say this is drying quite quickly because it's a reasonably warm day here today. All right, so we're just going to work quickly. So lining up that fold, keeping the lid down, just trying to get that even. And then around the back, it should just fit nicely. And fold over slightly so there's no gap there. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. Nice. Press down, make sure everything's stuck. Okay, so now we've got our little corded ribbon, it's not ribbon, it's twine. These ends, they do fray a little bit, so I have sort of pre-glued. If you are going to cut it, if it's a bit long, then just, yeah, see if you've got, grab your PVA and just pop a dab at the end of the edges there. Okay, so just tie a bow. I'm going to put mine up here like that. See, I'm a little bit long on that edge, so okay, I'm going to try with the glue stick, just for the sake of it will dry quicker. But yeah, if you find, and then I might put a dot there, getting a double dab of glue on both surfaces always helps. Oops, there we go. And then you can neaten up the end, and that's sticking all right. So if you've just got your glue stick, then that's fine. But yeah, I will just trim that and use my PVA to glue the end. Oops. It's like a comedy of errors today. All right. All right, drop that and pop a bit of glue on the end. Dob, and then you can just sort of push that around so it's covering the whole sort of circumference. There we go. Yeah, again, it's not my day. All right, there we go. A nice cute little heart gift box for Valentine's Day. Let me see if I've got something to fit inside. Happen to have, oh, I don't know. This is my husband's favourite, so I'll see if the cherry ripe fits in. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. You can put some chocolates in and make that a nice gift for Valentine's Day. Hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you next time.